So in terms of background, I started out very much in tech, doing computer science in high school, in 5th and then 6th form, and went on to do a computer science degree at UWI, did a master's in information systems, and my career has become progressively less tech involved over the years. My current day job is actually tech related in that I do digital innovation for the Victoria Mutual Group. But over the years, I have worked in a variety of spaces. I've worked in healthcare, I've worked in arts and culture, technology, obviously. I've worked in tourism, I've worked in a few different spaces, some technology related jobs in other industries. I am the lead organizer for the Kingston WordPress Meetup group, and I have been doing that since late 2017 was when I started that community. We are currently in a period of sort of reorganization and sort of rejuvenation. We fell apart a little bit over the last several months, particularly with the shift from physical meetups to virtual, which David also mentioned.
Hi, I'm Jordan from the Jamaican Developers Group. This video is a part of our meet and greet series where we introduce the various community leaders and what they're doing with their communities. If you like what we are doing or this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to not miss any further updates. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave it below or contact us on our community forum at community.jamaicans.dev. See you soon.
But what we focus on, our group is open to everyone who loves and or uses WordPress. You may love it and not use it. You may use it and not love it, or you may both. And it's really a space for users of WordPress, lovers of WordPress, to connect with each other, meet who else is in the community, and share their knowledge and experience, learning from each other, to improve the way that we use WordPress. In terms of activities, over the last couple of years, we have focused a lot on sharing knowledge. We've done quite a few discussion sessions where we'll pick a topic, and those who have experience with it will share what they've learned. Those people who don't have experience can come with their questions. We've also started to venture into more deeper expertise sharing. So individuals who have expertise around a particular area can come and do a presentation to the group and share, their expertise in whatever that area may be that's of benefit to people who use WordPress. What we have not done a lot of, but are planning to do more of, are hands-on activities, giving our members a chance to work and learn. So whether that is working on a group project together, which is one of the things that members have mentioned they want to do, or if somebody with expertise is teaching, then everybody else can be working on their own site, implementing some of the things that they're learning, or doing that on a test site, so that they're getting some practical experience at the same time. So that's something that we're going to be adding in the course of this year, as well as broadening our collaboration, as has just been discussed, with communities outside of the WordPress space, to also see what additional knowledge we can bring into our community. So that's about it for a quick summary.
Okay.
Hey, we've reached the end of this video, and I just have to say thank you so much for watching. I know these videos can get pretty long, but I do hope it was informative, fun, and insightful. If you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notifications bell in the description below. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video, and blessings from the Jamaican Developers team.